When it comes to achieving a dentist-clean smile at home, we all know it takes more than just a regular toothbrush. If you've been exploring electric toothbrushes, then chances are you've encountered the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100. This rechargeable toothbrush promises a deeper clean, improved gum health, and the ability to tackle plaque like never before. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive in and see how it performs in real life. The Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 is designed to offer a professional-level cleaning experience with some smart features that make it stand out. For starters, it boasts a pressure sensor that automatically detects when you're brushing too hard. If you're applying excessive pressure, it reduces the vibrations of the brush, giving your gums a break. This is an absolute must-have feature for anyone who has ever felt their gums sore after brushing. What's more, this toothbrush comes with 3 distinct modes: clean, white, and gum care. The clean mode focuses on plaque removal, making sure your teeth are thoroughly cleaned. White mode works on removing surface stains, ideal for anyone looking to brighten up their smile. And the gum care mode gently massages your gums, promoting better gum health. These modes cater to different needs, which is a nice touch for personalized oral care. Using this toothbrush in my daily routine was a breeze. The handle is comfortable to grip, and the Sonicare technology, with up to 62,000 brush movements per minute, makes a noticeable difference when it comes to cleaning efficiency. The brush feels powerful, but not harsh, giving a feeling of thoroughness without causing discomfort. The battery life is another highlight, lasting up to 14 days on a single charge, which is perfect for those who travel often. The included travel case makes portability easy, and the compact charging base is sleek and convenient. I found that the brush itself is lightweight and easy to maneuver, even around the back of my mouth. However, while the ProtectiveClean 5100 is effective, it's not without its cons. For one, it's not the quietest electric toothbrush on the market. While it's not overwhelmingly noisy, if you're sensitive to sound, it could be a minor annoyance. Additionally, the brush head might feel a bit large for those with smaller mouths, but that's a personal preference issue. When it comes to value for money, the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 sits comfortably in the mid-range price point for electric toothbrushes. Considering the features like the pressure sensor, multiple modes, and the high brushing power, I believe the price is justified. The additional travel case is a nice bonus, and the 14-day battery life offers excellent convenience for the price. However, if you're looking for more advanced features like smart connectivity or more customization options, you might want to explore higher-end models. The overall build quality is solid, with a durable handle and sleek design that looks great in any bathroom. It's also easy to maintain, with a simple charging base and the interchangeable brush heads that are readily available. In terms of longevity, Philips is a trusted brand, and I expect this toothbrush to last for a long time if cared for properly. Now, if you're on a budget, you might want to consider the Sonicare 3100 or other similar entry-level models. While they may not have all the bells and whistles like the ProtectiveClean 5100, they still provide effective cleaning and basic features at a lower price point. So, does the Philips Sonicare ProtectiveClean 5100 live up to its claims? Absolutely. It's a great all-around electric toothbrush that offers a solid balance of performance, convenience, and value for money. It's perfect for anyone looking to take their oral care routine to the next level without going overboard. If this review has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this toothbrush or have any thoughts on your own dental care routine, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what works for you. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.